I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Ho, ho, ho.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart, but the very next day, you gave it away. This year, to set me from tears, I'll give it to someone special.
Hey guys, welcome back to Candy Beauty. So I am really excited today because we have another Vlogmas 12 days of palettes and we are getting closer, you guys. I think this will end up going beyond Christmas or the 25th just because, I don't know, we'll see. It depends on how much I can get filmed. If I can film more, I will. So it may like extend over. And then the giveaway will probably be after the holiday at this point, just so you guys know. But I was looking at what I have for you guys for the giveaways. It's definitely going to be split into at least 2 or 3 different giveaways. And there is a lot of good stuff. So I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited to show you guys, you know, what I have for you guys. And make sure that you guys are publicly subscribed to the channel. You're leaving comments on every Vlogmas video. It started with the eggnog one. And then, you know, for the giveaways that have a giveaway in the title for like the melt and some of that, make sure you're leaving 3 comments. You share the video. But for the Vlogmas giveaways, comment below. Make sure you're liking the videos, publicly subscribed. And yeah, I'm really excited to share with you guys this new Nabla side-by-side palette. I did get this in the Nabla Trim Mood box, so that will be another giveaway for Vlogmas. I have a whole Nabla box for one lucky winner. So I'm really excited. I've really liked Nabla Cosmetics. I started trying them out, I think the beginning of this year. I got some of the cutie palettes. I really like their formula. I really do. I think they are amazing. I haven't tried anything that I don't like so far from them. I think their quality is so good, partially one because they're, I believe, an indie brand, but then also they are based in Italy. So typically when stuff is manufactured in Italy, the quality is definitely better in my opinion. That's what I've noticed even from US brands. It seems like when things are coming from Italy, the quality and the formulas are a little bit more, you know, high-end and up there. But anyways, this is the first time I'm diving into this palette, so I can't wait to show you guys some swatches. We'll do a look. And if you guys are new here, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, tap the bell so you can be notified of all the new upcoming videos, because we have a lot of fun here at Candy Beauty and we'd love to have you join the fun and the parties and all the giveaways and everything that's fun and wonderful. We just like to play around with makeup and have fun with makeup. So anyways, let's get right into this palette and get to some background information. Okay, and it does retail, the palette retails for €39.90, but I believe you can get it at Nabla. There are some things you can get at Ulta. I think it's also available for $39 at Ulta Beauty. There's 16 shades. It says created to be with you, always side by side, pulls together chromatic classicism and the daily artistic gesture of makeup, celebrating self-expression and inner artistry. Inside, 16 brand new shades were developed to create an extended range of neutral looks and to easily define eyes with a game of reflections, lights, and shades. The different finishes carefully developed for each shade give a precious touch to each look, making it iconic. The formulas are rich, creamy, extremely pigmented, and highly performing. From super matte to metal foil to the beloved Celestial. Alright, so let's get into our swatches. I'm super excited to see what these swatches feel like and create our look. Okay, and really quick, I did just want to show you guys this as well. This is the Nabla Ruby Lights palette that came with the side-by-side palette in the Tremu box, and I love these glitter palettes they have. I think that's such a great idea. I wish more brands would do that and just have separate palettes for the glitter and then keep like the shimmers, metallics, and mattes in one palette. And then here is the side-by-side nude palette, and Nabla always has really pretty packaging too. Here she is. Like, look at that gold. Isn't that so pretty? Like a very neutral palette. So not typically my go-to, but I do love Nabla, so you know what? I don't mind neutral palettes if the quality and the formula is really good. And then I got this Major Pleasure mascara, which I think is a new release, which we will try out as well today. And then I think what I'm most excited about is, you guys, I love Nabla brushes, and look at this case. Isn't that just so pretty and perfect for the holidays? Like, and then look at the gold with the red. I'm so excited. I love, love, love Nabla brushes. So that was another reason why I decided to get the box instead of just buying the palette separately, was because these brushes were in there, which were limited edition at the time. You might be able to get them now on the site, I'm not sure. If not, they have other brush sets, I know. Okay, so we're just gonna go row by row, starting out with the first row. Right here we have Bonjour, Ray of Light, Halftime, Magic Moments. Alright, and there's those 4. Okay, now on to the second row. We have Body and Soul, Paradiso, Beauty Mark, and Clan. And I'm really liking that Paradiso shade. That is so, so pretty. Alright, next up we have Burnt Sienna, Better Society, Cedarwood, and Tempera. And here are those 4 shades. Okay, and then last but not least, the last row, we have Rarity, Love Ritual, Cubism, and Untitled. Alright, now onto the Ruby Lights Glitter Palette. I am gonna swatch these for you guys as well. I really do like the Nabla glitters because they have like a little bit of moisture, like a little bit of tackiness, sort of like the Juvias Place ones do. But I do have to say, I think the Juvias Place ones are even better than the Nabla. But the Nabla colors are very, very, very like unique as well though. I don't know. I think I like the Juvia's Place ones a little bit better, but Nabla has it as far as like color story and the packaging. Like, oh, look at how pretty that is. They came out with another glitter palette for the Ruby Lights collection, and that one was really pretty too. You guys know how much I love glitter. So anyways, now on to creating our look. Alright, so now onto our look. I did prime my eyes with the original Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and the P. Louise base. And let's see, I think first I'm going to go in with this Bonjour shade right here, and I'm going in with my Rephr number 14 brush. And I'm just using this like right underneath of the brow area as a transition. Oh, it's a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be though. Now I'm going to go in with this Tempera shade right here. It's Tempera. I just want to say Tempura because I'm in the mood for some shrimp tempura sushi right now. Alright, and I'm just, wow, that is, ooh, that's really deep. I was not expecting that to be this. These shades are very pigmented, you guys, so these are definitely, they look lighter in the pan, I feel like. Because like on the lid, this is more of like a deep brown. I thought it was going to be more of a mauve-y. So I'm going to go in now with this Burnt Sienna color, hoping to warm this up a little bit. Because that is super intense. Okay, the Burnt Sienna is definitely better. It's definitely like a warmer shade. Alright, so now into the outer V, I'm going to go in with this matte black shade called Untitled, and I'm just gonna be very careful because these are super highly pigmented shades, you guys. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. I'm just sort of doing like a diagonal line there. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this Paradiso shade. And I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Alright, and now for underneath of the eye, I'm just going to go in with the Burnt Sienna shade. And I'm just going to go right underneath right here. And now for the inner corner, I'm just going to go in with that sort of champagne-y shimmer shade called Ray of Light. Oh, that is a beautiful inner corner neutral sort of shade. Look at that. That's so, so pretty. You know what? I might go... Yeah. I'm going in the middle of the lid with that Ray of Light shade too, because that is such a pretty shade. So, so pretty. Alright, you guys, now I'm going to clean everything up, do the other side, and we will be back for final thoughts on this Nabla side-by-side palette. Alright, you guys, so this is it. This is our final look. And I have to say, Nabla Cosmetics, oh my goodness. I think that this, you guys know I'm not a big person as far as neutrals go, but I think this is my favorite neutral palette that came out this year. I really do. I think the shimmers perform beautifully. I think the mattes perform beautifully. I think that Nabla is like a really up and coming indie brand. I mean, they definitely shined in 2020, but I think we need to keep our eyes on Nabla Cosmetics this year coming up in 2021, because I'm super excited to see what they come out with next. I would love to see like a colorful palette from them. They've dabbled with some color, but like I'm talking like a bold sort of colorful palette would be beautiful from them. Like I said, I love this neutral palette. I love the way this sort of like smoky cocoa look came out, and I'm really excited. Oh, I got a piece of hair. I'm really, really excited to see and play around with this palette more, see what other neutral looks I can come up with. I think this is like a perfect everyday palette, but then you can glam it up and make it sort of smoky as well, because they've got those deep blacks and those deep browns. But then if you wanted to do like an everyday glam like sort of neutral look, you could do that too. And I really like this palette. I like this palette for a neutral palette. Like I said, I'm not a big neutral fan, but I do really enjoy this palette. And I'd have to say that this is pretty high quality, like for the price that you're paying. You know, I would say it's right up there with some of the top high-end brands. So if you guys are interested in trying out like a beautiful neutral palette, if you're a neutral lover, then I highly suggest you grabbing this. I do believe it is available at Ulta now. You can also get it at Beauty Bay. There's a bunch of retailers you can get this side-by-side palette from, and I really, really like it. So yeah, I mean, for me to like a neutral palette says a lot. So for all you neutral lovers out there, I highly suggest you grab this palette. It's so beautiful. And like I said, we need to keep our eyes out for Nabla in 2021. I think they're a brand to definitely watch and keep our eyes on. And for the giveaway, I will be giving away the Nabla Trend Mood box, which has the glitter palette, the beautiful mascara. That's right, the mascara I love too, the brush set, the glitter palette. I mean, you guys, this is an amazing giveaway. So make sure you leave 3 comments below on this video, like this video, you're publicly subscribed, share this video on your other social media, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, share it with a friend, share it on your social media. And yeah, that's the rules to enter this giveaway. And this will be, even though this is a separate giveaway for this video, it will be combined with the Vlogmas video giveaway. So make sure you're also commenting on the Vlogmas videos and liking those as well. Alright, you guys, Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your thoughts are on this look down below. I always love to hear from you guys. Let me know if you like Nabla Cosmetics, if you've tried anything from them, what you think about neutral palettes, if you're a color person, neutral. And you know, if you like this and look, let me know down below. You guys know I love to hear from you as always, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.